also have the option to select full quality if you're uploading 2K or 4K videos, allowing you to upload If you've ever wondered how to upload high-quality videos from your mobile device for your audience to enjoy, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to upload 1080p and even 4K videos to YouTube directly from your iPhone or Android device. First, open the YouTube mobile app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you use for uploading videos. I'm logged into my account, where I upload my videos. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen, and a menu with various options will appear. From this menu, tap on the Settings button on the top right corner of the screen to open your YouTube account settings. Scroll down until you find the Uploads option, which should be near the bottom of the screen. Once you open the Upload settings, you'll see two options that you can customize. One of them is Upload over Wi-Fi only, but we're going to focus on the first option, Upload Quality. In the Upload Quality settings, you can choose from several resolutions. If your videos are uploading in 360p or 480p, that means the quality is low, and your video might appear blurry. To ensure your videos are in high definition, make sure to set the upload quality to at least 1080p. You also have the option to select full quality if you're uploading 2K or 4K videos, allowing you to upload your content in its highest resolution. Once you've selected the full quality option, your uploads will be clear and in HD. If you found this helpful and want more tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.